Hey everybody, and I'm back, and we're doing the Battle of Blizzard Bridge. And I got the new and improved Dragon Fire suit. Looks super cool. Okay, well, time for some battles. He's on fire! Ah! No, thank you. I'll keep this. No, I don't want the toy thing. I want to go in here. Ouch. I keep hitting myself. No! What kind of person is this? Oh, I gotta get it just right. Really? Oh. My wings can't cut it? Seriously? I have to drop this ability and use this one. Oh, stupid me. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Man! I was really looking forward to that. Yeah, buddy, well, I got fire. Maybe it'll respawn. Who knows? Oh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna cut it when I need to. Elfling? You wanna... Guys, there's a Elfling wanted sign. We need to destroy it ASAP. And we did. Remove 4 wanted posters? This is too much. I can't take it. Lorena? Well, she's gonna have to catch fire. If she doesn't. Oh gosh, she's on fire. And I mean like fire, like a real fire. As in you don't know what I mean fire. Death fire. Dragon fire. Yes, that's the word. You've got to be kidding me. Fine. I'll ditch it. Hold on. I may get to get it. No. There we go. Just let me jump. So, how do I get back? Yeah, you don't think I saw your little thingy there? Wild bonkers! This is the only thing I have. I must destroy him with it. Or with stars. What do you want from me? I'm desperate. Let me go! I'll take it. Ooh, snap, there's a fire guy. No, no, no. No, I don't want you. I want you. What? You have got to be kidding me. I need this thing? You gotta be kidding me. Fine. But I want my dragon fire back. Yeah, I'm gonna set this whole thing on fire. Oh, I need it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! I have to get there in time? This is my only chance. Seriously? Man? Oh, I get to drive? And with time to spare. And with a lost dragon fire. Oh, what a sad mistake. Wait a minute, I want the clutter needle. Give me the clutter needle. Not the toy hammer. Fine, I'll take the toy hammer. Wait a second. He's under there. How am I getting up? Ah! That works. You have got to be kidding me. 2? Twin Wild Frosty? They're just kids? No, wait, they're not just kids. Yeah, I think they're kids. Youch. Okay, so I have to destroy this guy. These 2 guys. Don't hit me! I'm desperate! There You gotta be kidding me. Please be the Frosty. Yes! You can be evolved now. But what I really want to do is put out this fire. And you guys. There's another one of Elflin's wanted posters. How in the world do I do this? Maybe I don't? No, I definitely do. Oh, wait a minute. My legacy. Yowie. That has got to hurt. Be quiet. She wants to play. Oh, I'm a dog here. I get to scratch. Ah, yes, a volume 2. What do you say I do all of those little treasure roads, huh? Well, if you said no, I'm doing it anyways. Never mind. My dad says no. Next episode. I'm gonna do 2 more. One with the little guy, the little treasure roads, and then the boss. Oh, I hit way more than 200. Ah! They're killing it. Is it King Boo? King DDD? I feel like the Waddle Dees are related to King DDD. Because they have the same D in it. Waddle Dees. King DDD. Yeah, you hear that? The Time Crash treasure? Okay, well, that will be all for today's episode. And you know what will happen next, because I told you. So, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next episode in the Treasure Roads.